Hello everyone, I'm back from the Hot Wheels Legends Tour 2025. I bought me some souvenirs from there. So let's check it out. First one, I got some old Hot Wheel cars, like in the 80s or 90s. So I got the Solaris CX4, black wall tires, number 13, and the roof opens. The engine there back. Very cool. It's very old, but still good roller too. Good roller. And I know it's very chipped. So, yeah. Still good looking car though. Yep. Next, I bought Shadow Jet. Another black walled tire car. Green. Cool. Yeah, very rusted on this side, but not rusty on the other side. Yeah. Well, very cool. Still cool though. Next, I got the Zender Fact 4. This is a cool car for the 90s car. And it's a good roller too. My first ever Zender Fact 4. This gotta be an exotic car. Cool. Next, I got two Ferraris. I got the Ferrari 430 Challenge. Black and white stripes on the sides. That cool thing. And got blue windows. Awesome. White rims. Cool. And I got the old Hot Wheels logo from 2010. Very awesome. Next, I got another Ferrari. It's the 360 Modena. Let me zoom out. Come on, zoom out. Zoom out. There it is. 360 Modena. Cool. And it's on metal and metal. Cool. And rolls pretty good. Got a track here. Rolls pretty good. Awesome. Metal base, metal body. Cool. And last one, I found an Ion Motors Thresher from Fast and Furious Spy Racers in purple. Finally found me one. Cool. Time to put in my Fast and Furious collection. Awesome. So that my souvenirs from the 2025 Hot Wheels Legends Tour. So hope y'all enjoy. Peace.